Stop what you're doing and listen.
All right. Good morning. We're pumping some gas. We're going. It's snowing. There's kind of catch some. I'm not gonna catch some, but there's snow falling right now. It is cold. I should have brought a warmer jacket. We're headed to Brinken's house, and then we're gonna go to California on a whim because he said he wanted some company. So that's where I'm going. Just got off work. Haven't slept. Got up at 4 o'clock in the morning. And it's really coming in now. Can you see the snow? It's landing on the roof of my car. Look at this. The little flakies of snow. It's snowing. It doesn't snow that often in Arizona, so this is pretty cool. I'm really cold. This is awful. I think I'm going to do this in the car. All right, I'm going to try this again. It is snowing outside in Arizona. I just got off work, been up since 4 p.m. yesterday, and I'm scrolling through Facebook, waiting to get off work. It's snowing, so I can't open the telescope. So I'm waiting to get off work, and I find out my friend Michael Brinken is looking for someone to go to California with him. So I hit him up and say, you know what, dude, I'm off at like 4 in the morning. I'm going to hop in my car. I'm going to head straight there. Describe this. It is 11:24. I got here yesterday at about 9 o'clock. So that is a 24-hour road trip to Cali and back pretty much. And I still got a few more hours back home. So I'm going to make that happen now. It's totally exhausted. But worth it. It's always fun to see, friends